Here are 3 ways to pause for gratitude and get your attitude back on track. Number 1, make a gratitude list. Get a pen and paper and write down all the good things going on with your business. This could be your top favorite clients that don't complain and pay your invoices, a great employee that's been there from the beginning, or maybe your sales has went up from $250,000 to $500,000 the next year. Way to go. Number 2, give back professionally or financially. This could be giving a bonus to your favorite employee that's been with you the whole way, or giving to a nonprofit. One of the things that makes me feel best when I'm struggling in business is our Local Warrior Award. We find a local combat veteran, we give them a $500 award, we have a ceremony and give them a plaque for their appreciation. This has given me purpose when things have gotten hard. Pro bono work. I know we have worked hard and we have great skills and abilities, but I must remind myself, those abilities were given to me from the big man upstairs. I must do my best when my business is profitable to help others in need. Maybe they can't afford accounting and tax services, so doing this pro bono work helps me get back on track and have a better attitude. Number 3, let the creative juices flow and focus on the areas of business you love. Business can get mundane if you let it. I know many times I've spent most of my day just clearing emails and sending clients invoices. After a while, you get pretty tired and worn out. But when I focus on growing a YouTube channel, building our brand, writing blogs, and coaching our clients on how to grow their business, that gives me purpose and gets me out of bed in the morning. Thank you for watching our channel and supporting this veteran-owned business. Please see the link below to set up a free 30-minute accounting tax consultation. And please click the subscribe button so we can help you stay on track and grow your business for many years to come.